Now, your first Alert 5 weather.
We have some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout southeastern Colorado at this hour. We're going to start off here near Baca County or Springfield. Here's the New Mexico state line right now where we have a couple of thunderstorms straddling the border at this hour. Los Animas County, a couple of stronger thunderstorms that are now starting to percolate here, and they're moving pretty much to the east anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles an hour coming off of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. On the other side, though, just to the east of Fort Garland, we have a thunderstorm that looks like it's in decay as it starts to move over top near the spring burn scar. So we're going to keep our eyes on this area, but still having the energy flow over top of the higher terrain. As we move closer here towards Canyon City, a couple of light sprinkles just to the left of you guys, or I should say to the west, just to the north of Penrose, also coming around the Pikes Peak Massif at this hour. Eastern El Paso County, a couple light thunderstorms and actually pretty good lightning with these as well. We actually had some light hail as well with some of these earlier thunderstorms out here in eastern El Paso County. And now when we're looking here closer towards Colorado Springs, everything is pretty much down to the south of the metro area. However, if you look up towards Woodland Park, we have another thunderstorm. It's now starting to move over into the Briar Gate area out towards Palmer Lake. So keep your eyes to the sky for that one moving your direction. Right now we're at 79 degrees at this hour. Winds are out of the east at 7. Down south in Pueblo, current temperature is 88 degrees with an east wind and humidity is about 28%. Also around the region at this time, you can really see the difference of where the thunderstorms are compared to where they're not. You notice the change here in the contours where you see the cooler colors. This is the cloud cover and the thunderstorms and the rain. Compare that to the 91 in La Junta, 79 in the Springs, as we mentioned, and 85 in Canyon City at this hour. So here it is on the bigger picture. Again, those thunderstorms are carving out the cooler temperatures here on the map that you just saw, but scattered pretty much for southeastern Colorado, and you can see the trail of moisture as it moves back down into the Four Corners and into northern New Mexico, even goes even further south into Old Mexico. So we're going to switch over to the water vapor map, and you can see now the moisture plume moving up into Colorado. But this is an upper level disturbance, and this is just round one for Saturday. Behind it, we have a bit of a break. This is going to be the overnight forecast, but then if you notice even further out west off the coast of California, this is another upper level disturbance, round two for another round of showers and thunderstorms on our Sunday. So watch what happens. Here comes round one, moves through the area tonight, a break as we mentioned, but then here comes that next wave of energy and it lifts across the state, and it looks like pretty much everyone is going to get something in the form of rain showers or thunder showers, as this is a pretty good line of energy that will move through Colorado for tomorrow afternoon. Hour by hour, we're going to take this now. You notice we're going to keep those showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for 6, 7, 8 o'clock even onto this evening. They're going to still hold together as they get out towards the eastern plains and even out towards Kit Carson, keeping some of those strong. Around 10 o'clock, maybe an isolated sprinkle or two here in the El Paso County area, Colorado Springs, Pike Peaks region. Then it'll start to come to an end around the I-25 corridor. Not for the eastern plains. It's not until after midnight where everything finally starts to dwindle out. Mostly clear to start the day on Sunday. Lots of sunshine, but keep your eyes to the left-hand side of the screen here in the mountains, because this is that next wave of energy. Round two, as we mentioned, it's a fast-moving system, and look how scattered those showers and thunderstorms are in the higher terrain by 1 o'clock. By the time we get to 3, 4 o'clock, even 5, right here in the Pikes Peak region towards Monument, Colorado Springs, Woodland Park, even down towards Pueblo. Very scattered in nature, but it's also almost like a wave of energy one after another. So we're going to get a couple of mini rounds in between when the main wave of energy moves on through. So morning sunshine to start, afternoon thunderstorms for sure, and the severe weather outlook for tomorrow, it's still marginal, but it's not going to be completely widespread in terms of everything is going to be severe. It's going to be more of the gusty wind, small hail variety. Forecast for tomorrow, the highs are going to be into the mid and upper 70s up towards the Pikes Peak region, but it's going to be dependent on that cloud cover. If the clouds move in a little bit quicker, the temperatures are going to be cooler for what you see. 82 for the Springs, 77 for Manitou Springs, and down south in Pueblo, afternoon highs will be into the mid 80s as we look for increasing clouds for the afternoon, and again, scattered showers and storms. 7-day forecasts look like this. 82 for tomorrow. We're going to call it a 3 on the storm impact scale because it is so widespread. There is going to be a lot of moisture associated with these storms, so we're going to keep our eyes out for some localized flooding with these showers and storms as they move through the area. One round after another. It's not just the Springs, it's going to be Pueblo. It's going to be the far eastern plains out towards Kansas, the higher elevations. Everyone is going to see some form of rain as we head towards tomorrow afternoon and towards tomorrow evening. We'll clear things out on Monday, we'll dry things out, and it'll be a drying period as we go from Monday, Tuesday on into Wednesday and Thursday. But by the time we get to Friday and Saturday, there is a little disturbance that's kind of shown up in some of the most recent models, and we're going to actually try and determine if we might actually see some rain showers here by the time we get towards next Saturday. All right.